Struggling to find where to add users in Zendesk? Stop hunting through menus and learn to add a user in under a minute. I'll walk you through the 8 simple steps. Navigate to the homepage, open the plus menu, select User, enter their details, choose Type and Role, then click Add. Navigate to the Zendesk homepage to get started. Then click the plus icon at the top bar to open the Add menu. From that menu, choose User to bring up the new user form. In the form, go ahead and enter the user's name. Then type in the user's email address. Now choose the user type from the dropdown. After that, pick the user's role. Finally, click Add to create the user, and that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.